In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Axis Bank app not working. So if Axis Bank application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if still your problem is not solved, there might be some problem with the application itself, there might be some bugs. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Axis. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Axis Mobile and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if the application still does not work, try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Axis Mobile and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Axis Mobile. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. Now try using the application. Your application should start working. But if the application still does not work, you can simply uninstall the application and install it again. After you do that, the application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the methods to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Axis Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.